Good day!
We are fourth year BSE students,
From PUP Taguig.
and today we will show you our project device entitled Demand Side Management applied to battery protection.
And monitoring of off-grid solar setup.
Our device is a battery protection and monitoring device that aims to protect the battery by limiting the current drawn from the battery. It also keeps track of the user's current, voltage, and power consumption. If the load plugged in exceeds the current limit set, it cuts the power to the outlets. We used a 20 amp hour 12 volts battery in our setup, which has a safe current limit of 4 amperes according to its datasheet.
We are going to demonstrate how our device works. First, we need to ensure that the solar charge controller here on the device is connected to the solar panel which is exposed to the sunlight outside. So the wires here are connected to the solar panel. Next, we have here our battery and it should be connected to the device as well. So I'm just going to connect the battery to our device. After I've connected the battery to the device, I can now plug in this device to our power source or to our power socket. And once plugged in, I can now switch on the battery power as well as the circuit breaker for our load side. And eventually, we can hear the device initializing as well.
So for the first testing, we are going to plug a mobile phone charger. And as we plug it in the outlet, we can see a difference here in the display as the indicator changed from S0 to S1 when there is load on the outlet 1.
We can also see here that the outlet meter is reading the voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, and the power factor of the load that has been plugged.
The second testing, we're going to plug in a fan into the second outlet. As you can notice, that the indicator will change from S0 to S1 in the same manner it did after we plugged the charger into the first outlet.
The outlet meter number 2 is also reading the same information just like on the outlet meter number 1.
As we've mentioned a while ago, that our battery is at its safest if the current is limited to 4 amperes. So that's where the feature of our device takes place. As we plug in the third device, which is the water heater, we'll notice that the power will cut off and we'll hear the buzzer as an indicator that the current drawn in the battery already exceeds 4 amperes. Lastly, we're going to plug only the water heater onto any of the outlets. But before that, we must unplug all the devices connected. We plug the water heater.
The device will stop supplying the remaining outlets as it already exceeds the 4 ampere current limit.